Keep your Microsoft Office suite running smoothly and securely by ensuring it's always up to date. First, open any Microsoft Office application. It doesn't matter if it's Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, we just need to access the main menu. Once your application is open, look for the File tab in the very top left corner of the window. Click on it. This will open the Backstage view, which shows all your file-related options. Now, scan down the list on the left-hand side and find the Account option. Click that. You'll now see your account information and, importantly, an Update Options button. Click on this button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Update Now. Microsoft Office will then start checking for any available updates. This might take a few moments. If updates are found, they will automatically begin downloading and installing in the background. Once the updates are complete, you might see a small notification or be prompted to restart your Office applications to finish the installation. To confirm everything is up to date, you can go back to File, then Office Account. Underneath the product information, you should now see a message stating that Office is up to date. By regularly checking for these updates, you're ensuring you benefit from the latest features, crucial security patches, and improved performance across all your Microsoft Office applications. And that's how you keep your Microsoft Office suite current and ready for anything.